Are you constantly struggling with bloating, digestive discomfort, or low energy? Even when you're eating clean and healthy, you're not alone. Millions suffer from poor gut health, often caused by an imbalance in gut bacteria. Introducing PrimeBiome, a breakthrough spore-based probiotic that helps repair your gut, boost your immunity, and restore your energy from the inside out. What makes PrimeBiome unique? Unlike regular probiotics that die in your stomach, PrimeBiome uses Bacillus subtilis, a powerful spore-forming strain proven to survive harsh digestive environments. These spores reach your intestines intact and actively help restore microbial balance. PrimeBiome is 10x more resilient than standard probiotics and supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and inflammation reduction. Benefits users love: less gas and bloating, more regular, complete bowel movements, enhanced energy and mood, stronger immune support, relief from IBS, constipation, food sensitivities. Each daily capsule is non-GMO, soy-free, gluten-free, and made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. Plus, it's shelf-stable, no refrigeration needed. Thousands have already experienced improvements within just 7 to 14 days. Whether you're dealing with chronic gut issues or just looking to optimize wellness, PrimeBiome delivers real, lasting results. And with a 60-day risk-free money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose but your discomfort. Ready to reclaim your gut health and vitality? Try PrimeBiome today and feel the difference from your core. So, check out link in description or click on Learn More button to check special discount offer of PrimeBiome today.